Okay, so if you've decided to be in our blog, you're going to receive an email from EduBlogs with a confirmation that I have registered you. Notice that it will be coming from edublogs.org and not from Emily Drew. So you can click on the email when you get it. And it says your new account is set up. It has your username. And it also has a password that's been randomly generated by EduBlogs. You can click on the link below. And it brings you to the sign in page where you can put in your username and your password. And log in. Now when you get to this page, this will be the only time you see this page. After you get everything set up, you'll be taken to a different page next time you log in. So for now you can go to the Easy Admin area. And this is some profile stuff for you where you can change your color scheme if you want. Now your username has already been selected. That can't be changed, but you can put in your first and last name. You can enter a nickname. All of the students are using their first name with their last letter initial for their last name. And then you can display your name publicly as there will be a drop-down menu and you can pick from the following. It's up to you which one you want to pick, but every time you make a comment, that's what will show up as your identification. Below is some optional stuff. At the very end there, you can see where you can put a new password in, and that will be your password from now on if you don't want to keep the randomly generated one. And once you're done that, you can click Update Profile. Now you can scroll back up to the top of the page and see BHS Political Science 12 Visit Site. This is our actual blog, and from now on when you log into the blog, this is what will come up. So that right there is our first post from this week, and you can read through the article. And when you scroll down to the bottom of the article, you'll see comments and trackbacks. You can click that link. And you can see all of the comments that have been added so far. You can scroll down to the very bottom of the page where you can add your own comment. And if you were going to submit the comment, you would click Submit Comment. Or, since we're not going to actually add that, if you wanted to leave a reply to a comment that somebody else has made, for example, Colton C., you click Reply, and a new box will open up, and that's where you would leave your reply to that comment. And again, you just type in your box there, whatever your comment is or your reply is, and then you hit Submit at the end. Going back up to the top of the page, you'll see that we have a page about our blog where you can read a little bit more about the project that we're undertaking. There's an administrators page with some basic information about the administrators. Same thing with the students page and also the contributors. Once you're done looking at the site, you can log out. And when you want to log back in again, the address that you're going to type in is BHS Poli Sci .edublogs.org. And I would suggest that you bookmark that address so you don't always have to type it in, and then you would go ahead and once it's in your favorites, it's there for you to sign in. And you'll notice that authorization is required because only people who have been incited can view this blog. So we're going to log in once more. And should you ever want to go back to your profile and make any changes, you can click on Site Admin. And that will take you back to your profile if there's anything you want to change there, such as your password. Other than that, that's a basic introduction of how to get set up with our blog, and we can't wait to see your comments.